Hi everyone, how are you doing? Happy Friday. I hope you are having a great day and are looking forward to the weekend. Definitely let me know if you have any fun plans. Today I am opening the April Kitties paper box. Or I always call it my own name. I just like redirect from the box. It's called My Paper Box and it's a personalized stationery subscription. So that's why it says Kitties paper box. It's not named after me. This is just my own personal box. Isn't it cute though that they put your name on it? So this is the Grand Box. My Paper Box offers two different subscription options. I get both. This is the Grand, like I said, and then there's also a mini subscription. The mini one is $10. I will leave my most recent mini unboxing in the description box below if you're interested in checking that out and missed the last video. This box is $28. I do have an updated coupon code, so I will leave that down below. I believe you save $10, so if you like what you see and want to subscribe, definitely check that out. Before we get started, sorry if I'm like a little off today. I'm just like super tired. For some reason I didn't sleep well last night. And then I just found out that my neighbor's cat died, a cat I knew. He was only like 4 years old and they think it's from like toads in the area. And my cats are always outside on my lanai, but toads are pretty big and I made it so that like lizards can't even get into my lanai because when I first moved in, I was like saving lizards' lives constantly. Like my cats live for catching them. They don't like try and kill them, but they'll like hold them in their mouth and I just can't handle that. So I would be always like letting them loose. So I kind of made it so they can't slip under the door and I haven't seen a lizard come in months. So I think my cats are safe, but I'm just so worried and I'm so sad about Harold the cat that passed away. It's my neighbor's family that I used to help them out and watch their kids sometimes. So, and they had two cats and of course I hung out with the cats when I was there. So it's really sad, and if it was something like that that's in our neighborhood, I'm just really worried. I would be so heartbroken. I can cry right now thinking about it if I lost one of my cats. They're like my babies, you know that. But yeah, that's why I might not be like as, you know, energetic as usual or whatever. I don't know if I'm energetic, but you know what I mean. But anyways, let's get unboxing. Oh, one more thing I wanted to bring up before I get unboxing. Someone brought up a suggestion, or maybe a few people, to do a Q&A, and I'm finally gonna do it. I posted on my community tab and also on my Instagram asking for some questions, so please leave me some. I'll leave it open for a couple days before I film, so I would love to hear what you guys wanna know about me. So yeah, definitely check that out. It's in my community tab. So I'm gonna grab some scissors. I just opened up these gold scissors I've had for a while and I've never used them. Aren't they kind of cool? So when I open up the box, this is what I see. It says, "Happy to see you." These boxes are so cute themselves. Like we haven't even gotten into the like actual products. How cute is that? Isn't it crazy that it is April on Monday? And it's gonna be April Fool's Day. Do you guys have any good like pranks I can use on someone that doesn't watch my videos? Definitely let me know. Oh my god. Yeah, that's crazy, but I say that every month, but it's so true. Is it like the older you get, time flies faster, or is it just like that for everyone? But anyways, it says, there's a card on top and it says, "Kitty, welcome to April. This month we are here to celebrate Earth Day with you. Fun happenings this month. The first is April Fool's Day, like I just said. The 10th is Siblings Day. Oh, that's cute. I have to remember that. 16th is Wear Pajamas to Work Day. I kind of do that all the time. True fact, I have a dress on and pajama pants under my dress. I went on a long walk last night and I have like chafing on my thighs. That's when you know you need to lose some weight. So it's getting a little uncomfortable, so I put on pajama pants. So I'm pretty much always wearing pajama pants when I like work and do YouTube. 21st is Easter Sunday and the 22nd is Earth Day and the 25th is Take Your Kids to Work Day. Did you guys ever do that when you were kids? I remember I would go to work with my dad. I think I went to work with my mom a few times too. Does every workplace allow that? I would think like some wouldn't. I know when I was working in the ER, I don't think you could be like, yeah, I'm bringing my 5-year-old in. Like, oh, there's a gunshot victim? Let's go check them out. No, definitely not for all professions. All right, under that, here is everything that comes with it. Looks like there are some cards. This one is so cute. And this one says happy birthday on it. I like this one. So you can definitely get use out of this. Even if you don't know anyone with a birthday this month, you can use it soon. How cute is this card? I already know what I'm gonna use it for. And on the inside it says, it just occurred to me that we really are becoming old friends. So glad we are. That's so cute. This might be my favorite card I've gotten from them. I love it. And then I see some stickers. The first sticker is funny. It's like a little bunny with some glasses. And then there's some recycle stickers, which is nice because of Earth Day. I'm not really sure how I'll use these, but I'll find use somehow. What are these? And then there's 3 more. One says, Love Earth. One just says love and the O is in Earth. Here's the Earth saying hello, just waving to us with the top hat. And then another cute bunny. And then there's this little booklet. So this is what I see. I think it says Kitty's Friends on it. Or Kitty, My Friends. Oh, this is nice. So you can put everyone's contact information. I definitely don't have that many friends to fill up every page, but this will be really useful. I feel like I don't send people stuff all the time, but I never like save it, so I'm always asking them again and again. So like, what's your address again? It'd be nice to just have it so then they don't like know you're shipping something, because the prices are nice sometimes, you know. If you ask them for your address, they're expecting something. But this is what it looks like on the inside. I love this subscription. You seriously get like really useful things. So you can check personal or business. You can put their birthday too, so you don't forget. Everything, phone numbers, addresses. Yeah, and it's not like the biggest book, but like there's 4 on each, well, 2 on each page. And there's several pages. Let me see how many pages there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 pages, so you can put 20 people's contacts in there, and that's more than enough for me. No way, I'm getting so into horoscopes and astrology. This is Daily Horoscope Journal. Oh yeah, if you're close to me, aka like if you're Nikki, or maybe I brought up to Candace too, I'm really into like birth charts now. I'm like trying to figure out all my stuff. Like I know my sun sign is a Taurus, but now I'm like learning more about my moon sign and my rising sign and all of this stuff, and I just find it fascinating. Is there anyone watching that is into that stuff that I can chat with about this? Because some people are like, shut up, we don't care. But I'm into it. So what does it say in here? So it's on the first page, it says Daily Horoscope. There's a focused energy inside you and it's growing stronger every day. That energy is your subconscious getting you ready for a big event and prepping you for a wonderful opportunity. So each day there's like just a different horoscope. It's kind of funny. So like the daily horoscopes are like, you know, in like Cosmo or whatever. The Cosmo horoscope this month was kind of funny. Nikki, Southern Mom, and I are both Tauruses, and it said for our horoscope that we like want to move to LA and become YouTubers or something. I just thought that was really funny because we both do YouTube. I mean, neither of us want to move to LA, but I just thought that was ironic. So yeah, so the daily things like that, like, you know, they don't mean like that much. It's more about your overall birth chart, but these are, it's always fun to read this stuff. And clearly everyone, no matter what your sign is, got these, but yeah, I love reading little things like this. So this is really cute. Each day is something different in it too, and it's kind of thick. So I guess I could also like write stuff about like my sign, like, and like if, like, you know, it's in retrograde or what's going on that day. This will be cool to have. All right, here's another card. It says Hipster Easter on it. I guess it's like a hipster bunny. And on the back it says Made with Love by Kitty. I'm gonna take it out and see if there's anything on the inside. Who should I send this to? I really need to go get stamps. That's like the one thing that I think would be awesome with this subscription, if it came with a few stamps each month. I think that would be a great idea because I don't keep them around because I don't send too much mail. I did have them for a bit, but I ran out. And I know you can just go to the store, but some people are a little lazy, me. But this is cute, and I love that it says, it's like the personalization with Kitty on the back. Who would I send Hipster Easter to? I'll have to figure it out. And here is a notepad that says, Kitty, save our planet, recycle me. I always try and recycle. As you can probably imagine, I get a lot of boxes, and Luckily I have like one of those big recycling bins and they come once a week. So I try and do my best about recycling, so I think it's a good reminder though to have that. Alright, here's a card that says Happy Earth Day. This is cute. I need to remember just to send people random cards like that. It's so nice to get mail. It says, Happy Earth Day to someone even hotter than our planet, Kitty. That's funny. Seriously, this box is the cutest. And then there is another notepad that just says Kitty, and it's one of these longer ones, and there's some like dotted pattern around the side. I am really collecting the notepads lately. I do keep them all around the house and jot things down, but they're everywhere. Oh, and every month we get like a little calendar. So like folds like this, I'll show you. So it says Kitty's April. Oh, and I like how it has reminders for Earth Day and Easter on there. So I have March is out behind me. I always keep it right here, but usually my body's like blocking it. And on the back of it, it says Kitty's April goals, which I really like. I'll probably have it like facing this way because I do want to set goals for April and I'd like to be reminded. I'm one of those people that needs to be like reminded of things, like with everything, like, I don't know, like that's why I keep lists and stuff like that. So this will be fun. Now I have to come up with my goals for the month. I love that kind of stuff. And I think that is everything. Yep. And then there's like some cute pink tissue paper, which I always try and recycle the tissue paper that comes in boxes. This one is totally in good shape because I didn't have to tear anything, so that is great. But let's recap. So the little standing calendar, which I do use every single month. A notepad that says Kitty and has that dotted design on it. An Earth Day card. An Earth Day notepad. A hipster Easter card. The daily horoscope journal, which I'm excited about. But what I'm probably the most excited about is this Kitty's Friends thing, so I can put people's addresses in here. I'm definitely gonna update this probably tonight, so I can like send some cards and stuff. Yeah, it's Friday night. I think I'm staying in. I don't feel like going out anyways, and this seems more fun. And then we have some stickers. Stickers are always fun. I'll probably like seal like envelopes with those and stuff. And then this really cute birthday card I love too, which I know I'm gonna get use out of pretty soon. But yeah, I think this was a great month. This might be my favorite. I'm trying to think, I like every one of the boxes. I definitely like the grand box more than the mini box, but I mean, it's because it comes with more stuff. In the mini box, if you haven't watched my video or don't plan to, it comes with 3 notepads, and they're so cute and they're awesome and they're very useful. Like one month we got like a shopping list type thing or a meal planner and like just to-do lists, and then some are blank so you can use them however you want, which is awesome. But I love getting like the cards and other stuff too in the grand box. So yeah, if you're interested in subscribing to this, I will definitely leave the link and the promo code down below. And like I said, please leave me some questions for my Q&A video. I think it should be fun, hopefully. A lot of people are asking like similar questions so far, which I kind of expected those questions. I've never really like gotten into it, so soon you'll hear all the tea, even though there's no tea. I don't know why I just said that, but anyways, I hope you guys are all having a lovely evening. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.